Hi everybody, we are in Scotland and it's extremely chilly. As you can see, it has snowed a lot. Scottish weather बहुत ही unpredictable होता है, whether it's winter or it's summers. और यहाँ पे देयर इज़ अ सेइंग कि एक दिन में आपको 4 सीजन्स दिख जाते हैं. लाइक इट कुड बी सनी इन द मॉर्निंग, इट कुड बी like really warm, and by afternoon it could start raining, or फिर you could see a rainbow in the evening, and it's really funny. Like और फिर आप decide भी नहीं कर पाते हो. Like you have to rely on the weather forecast. Like अगर आप कुछ गर्म पहन के निकलते हो, then by afternoon it's chilly suddenly, it's windy, it starts to rain, और यहाँ पे बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Anyway, talking about now, बहुत ज़्यादा snowfall हुई है, and who doesn't like the snow? Like it gives the vibes of winter wonderland. Like the whole place is covered in white flaky snow, और कितना like ऐसे सा look दे रहा है, like this clean and sleek look, the entire place. And all the pigeons, they're not cold like the swans, they're out in the snow and they seem to be enjoying it. Like the swan, ये तो पूरा मतलब blend ही हो रहा है. और ये जो pond है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे swans हैं, ducks हैं, and there are lots of pigeons, and ये pigeons को कोई ना कोई आके feed करता ही है, so they're always well fed. एंड यहाँ पे देर आर रेगुलेशंस कि आप इनको स्वॉन्स को, डक्स को, पिजन्स को वाइट ब्रेड नहीं दे सकते, आप इनको वाइट फ्लावर नहीं दे सकते, विच वी कॉल मैदा, क्योंकि अपेरेंटली इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर देयर हेल्थ. सो या, ह्यूमंस शुडंट कंज्यूम मैदा एज वेल, क्योंकि ये सब के लिए बहुत ख़राब है. Oh my god, just look at that guys, I just love this view. और यहाँ पे जितने भी स्वॉन्स हैं, they belong to the king. तो आप किसी भी स्वॉन को पकड़ के you cannot kill a swan, it's illegal. और अभी हम चलते हैं, let's walk in the snow by the pond, and it's starting to drizzle as well guys, and it's very very cold. It's like a mix of snow and rain. तो ये जो monument है, ये है World War Memorial. So all the people who took part and died during the war, so उनकी memory में बना हुआ है, which is nice. And guys, लद्दाख में भी winter में इसी तरह से heavy snowfall होती है. So this snow is reminding me of my hometown, Ladakh. And it's starting to get dark guys, which is why I'm heading back home now. And it snowed a lot today, तो मुझे इसलिए snow में निकलना था. I wanted to enjoy the snow, और I love when the snow covers the roads, it covers the mountains. तो मैंने काफ़ी enjoy किया. I had a brisk walk by the pond and I made a snowman, और मैंने तो बहुत enjoy किया. As long as I'm prepared and nicely dressed for the snow, I totally enjoy it. I'm like bring it on. And guys, I'm back home and I am making Ladakhi tea, because nothing better than a warm cup of Ladakhi tea in this weather. Now, while I enjoy my tea, you know what to do. If you like my video, please like, follow, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts and comments. See you again soon. Bye.